Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader on your OnePlus 7T. So firstly, make sure you have backed up everything as to erase everything on your device. So I have already made a backup, so I will go directly to the steps to unlock the bootloader of your device. So after that you have to go to your settings, then go to your about phone settings and keep tapping this build number. I will ask for your password if you have any, so just input that. And after that developer settings will be enabled. It will be written you are a developer now. And after that go to your system settings, then click on this developer option, and after that you have to check this OEM unlocking option over here. It will be disabled by default. Just enable it and input your password. So I have done that. Then after that click on enable and just scroll down and you will see this USB debugging option over here. Enable that as well and click on OK. After that you have to turn on your PC and you have to download the platform tools to unlock your bootloader. So there will be a link in description below. You can download for your desired system. I have downloaded it for Windows as I am operating on Windows system. So after you have downloaded everything, just extract it and open this platform tools folder, and after that just click on this top search bar and type CMD. And after that you have to connect your device OnePlus 7T via USB to your computer. I will do that right here, and then it will show a small pop-up allow USB debugging. Just click on allow. I'll always allow from this computer and click on allow. And once you have done that, come back to your computer and type in ADB devices. So it will show you the name of your device over here like this. And once it's done, just type in ADB reboot bootloader. And once you have done that, your phone will boot into a bootloader. And as you can see, currently the device state is locked. And after that type in fast boot devices. As you can see, it all again detected our device over here. So after that you have to type fast boot OEM unlock. Once you have done that, you will see a small pop-up on your screen stating that do not unlock the bootloader, unlock the bootloader. Just use your volume down and volume up key to navigate over the unlock the bootloader and click on power button. And after that your device will be fully erased and will take. So as you can see, now my device has been booted up. So I will show you the confirmation that my device has been properly unlocked. Once you do that, your device will boot into fast boot mode, and as you can see, your device state has been unlocked. So this is it guys, your device has been successfully unlocked. So if you like this video, please drop a like, and if it helped you, please consider subscribing to my channel as I will be posting more videos about OnePlus 7T. So Crotlane signing out.